and I think I've finally figured out how to do this. This is my 10th attempt, and I think I'm actually recording now, so I'm very excited. So my project I decided to do was on the flipped classroom model. And what that means is um, traditionally course content was exposed to students in the classroom, and then for homework, they practiced what they learned in the classroom. So if you were doing math, you learned how to do the math in school, and then you brought home a problem set to practice at home. So usually learning the information was more of a passive process, and then the actual practice of the information was a more active process where you were actually testing how well you understood it, and that was when you needed that support, and that was when the teacher wasn't available. So the flipped classroom model is having students access the initial learning at home and then practicing in the classroom. So what makes this possible now? So we have lots of developments with new media and new technologies that allow students to access this course content at home or basically anywhere with internet access. So we have school issued devices, we have home internet access for all students, we have social media, lots of good sources for online information. We have learning management systems like Google Classroom to organize it all. So that is what makes using this classroom model possible. And how does it work? So teachers would be assigning students videos to watch, text to read through if they are using Google Classroom, through Google Classroom, students would be watching those videos, reading those articles on their own at home, and then using that information perhaps the next day or the following day in class to do more of a hands-on learning activity. Or have a group discussion or different kind of problem solving work. Benefits, differentiated instruction, having students access the content at their own pace, using digital resources allows them to slow it down, rewatch, or extend it beyond what most students are doing if you were looking to challenge students. This provides hopefully more time for hands-on activities in class, and it makes time for the teacher to circulate and help students with projects that they might be having trouble with. Um, Teaches students the importance of independent preparation for class, right? Um, so what that means is called self-regulated learning, and teaches students how they learn best, right? That metacognition, learning how you learn. What do you need to do to help you learn the material? Maybe you're an oral learner and you need to read it out loud. Maybe you need to watch a video. Maybe you need to take notes. Um, so it's teaching students what they need to do to learn. It's also teaching them time management skills, which these are skills that they will use for the rest of their life. So some of the challenges with this model is teachers are giving up some control to their students, which isn't always easy. Not all students are going to do what they need to do to prepare. So there's going to have to be a way to figure out how to engage those students. Teachers must be prepared for early finishers. Not everybody's going to move through the material at the same pace. So you're going to have like things that they can do in the classroom called anchor activities that they can do if they finish early. Teachers must be constantly adjusting curriculum to meet individual needs of students, which we should be doing anyway. So in conclusion, because of the new advancements in technology and just the wealth of information that is available online, these changes have made this different model of teaching possible. And teachers need to um, um, review ahead time and prepare content for their students, more classroom time for hands-on learning. There are both benefits and challenges, and improved self-regulation and self-regulated learning is a key benefit, if not the most important benefit, to using this model. So these are my references, and I hope that if you haven't already, if you are not already familiar with the flipped classroom model, that you have learned something today. Okay. Thank you very much, and I'm going to hopefully see you soon. Bye.